Hello everyone, I am here Rimpi Sharma, your solutions provider, advisor, scan and nutrition expert. So welcome to the virtual platform. I am a little bit late to upload my next series. For that, I am extremely sorry. So now I am here. So in the previous series, I discussed with you components of food part 1, right? So in this series, I am going to share with you components of food part 2. So before going ahead, let me share my screen with you so that you can understand easily. Okay, all right. So what are the main role of various nutrients in our body? See, the major nutrients of our food are number 1, carbohydrates, number 2, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, again, roughage, water. So these all things are required for our body, okay? Every day we need these all things from our food. And water plays very important role for whole the process. So let us understand one by one what are the main sources of these important or main components of the food, okay? So number 1, carbohydrates. So whole grains like wheat, rice, etc. These all are the sources for sources of carbohydrates. Potatoes in the form of starch, corn, popcorn, etc. Right? So we get carbohydrates from these sources. So next, proteins. Again, proteins like pulses, soya, beans, fish, eggs, seafoods, etc. From these sources, we get proteins, right? So next, fats. So for fat, the sources are like vegetable oils, olive oil, canola, nuts, seeds like mustard seeds, flax seeds, fish, etc. So these are the sources of fats. So let us talk about the vitamins and minerals. So we all know like vegetables and fruits are the main source for vitamins and minerals. And other things like cheese, curd, mushroom, these are responsible for vitamins, right? We also get vitamins from these sources and minerals. So like cereals, nuts, meat, fish, algal sources, etc. These are the sources for mineral. Okay. We also need it in our food, and as I already told you, that is roughage and water. So roughage, simply we call it dietary fiber. So fiber is mainly carbohydrate. So which is the main role of fiber is to keep digestive system healthy. How? Let me explain with the help of example. So roughage is very important for our digestive system. Why? Because it helps to clean our small intestine and as well as large intestine, so that the microvilli of the small intestine can easily absorb the main nutrient for the transportation in our body. And same way, it is compulsory for large intestine so that to excrete the waste material from the body. Okay. And now let us talk about the water. So same way, water regulates the body temperature through perspiration. Perspiration means through sweating. And I would say like water helps to filter our body through waste material. So yeah, so these all are very important every day. Okay, so let us understand how they work in our bodies. So carbohydrates are primarily responsible for providing energy to our bodies. Okay, and fats also gives us energy. So food containing fats and carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. So simply we can say that carbohydrates and fats are known as energy giving foods. Next, proteins. So proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our bodies. And food containing proteins is often called body building food. So simply we can say that proteins are the basic block of the body, basic building block of the body. Why? Because if we talk about the tissue, okay, so tissue is made up of a number of cells. In same way, organ is made up of group of tissues, and organ system is made up of organ, okay, including tissue and many number of cells. So organ system like digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, our nervous system, skeleton system, reproductive system, etc. So simply we all are organisms, okay, living beings. We all are organisms. So all living beings are organisms. So we can say that there are different organ systems in our body. They plays different types of function in the body. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you. So now let us talk about the vitamins. So vitamins help to protect our bodies against disease. And vitamins also help in keeping our bones, eyes, teeth, and gums healthy. So yeah, vitamins are different kinds known by other names. And what are those? Some of these are like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, and vitamin K. So there is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. So these are the different types of vitamins. Okay. So our body needs all type of vitamins for proper growth of the body and to maintain good health. Is it clear to you? And most food items usually have more than one nutrient. So simply we can say that there are most food items, they usually contain more than one nutrient. Okay. So now let us talk about the minerals. So same way, minerals are also essential for body like vitamins. How? Let us understand. So these are essential minerals that our body requires every day in our food. And what are those? Examples are like calcium, iron, phosphorus, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, etc. So these are the important, or I can say like these are the essential minerals that our body requires every day. Okay. So the primary role of mineral is to keep our bones, muscles, heart, and brain working properly. That is the major role of the minerals in our body, right? So for example, iodine and iron support mental performance and help in supporting the nervous system. Very important. So it is the main role of iodine and the iron. And minerals are also essential to make enzymes and hormones in our body. Again, very important. So minerals also plays an important role to synthesize the enzymes and hormones in our body. Okay. So besides nutrition, our body needs dietary fiber and water, as I already told you. Okay. So dietary fiber is also known as roughage, as we all know. And roughage is mainly provided by plant product in our foods. For example, Whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, and vegetables are the primary source of roughage, because this helps our body get off get rid of undigested food. I already discussed with you. I hope this is clear to you. So next, water. Yeah, water helps our body to absorb nutrient from food. It also helps in throwing out some waste from the body as urine and sweat. We get most of the water our body needs from the liquid, as we drink water, milk, tea, etc. And even we add water to most cooked food. They are also source of water. Okay. So let us understand there are also like loss of nutrients. So we should be aware of that, like how we can save some of the essential nutrients. So if the vegetables and fruits are washed after cutting and peeling them, it may result in the loss of some vitamins. So keep it in mind. It is very important when if we are if we wash our fruits and vegetable after cutting or peeling them, it may result in the loss of some nutrients, some vitamins. And repeating the washing of rice and pulses may remove some vitamins and minerals. For that, yeah, according to a current scenario, yeah, I can say like there are lots of polished pulses. So in that case, there is compulsory to wash the pulses at least 2 to 3 times. But if we are washing rapidly, repeating the washing of pulses and rice, it may remove some vitamins and minerals. So cooking also results in the loss of certain nutrients. How? Because vitamin C gets easily destroyed by heat during cooking. So there are other nutrients also they also get destroyed during the cooking. So many functional proteins and a considerable amount of mineral are lost if excess water is used during cooking and is thrown away. So these are very important points. Keep it in mind, okay? So that at least whatever we are getting from our sources, so we can save the nutrients. Even we are eating adulterated food items. So okay, in the upcoming series, I will be discussing about all these things. So no need to worry, okay? So thank you. That's all from my side for components of food part 2. And same way, I am going to translate in Hindi this series, okay? So if you are first time on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself. Yeah, see you again in the next series. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.